Okay, so last session we talked about how we can sort results. We can sort results by name, A to Z, and how we can sort results by score. Now, in the math papers, for most year groups, we have got two papers that we need the children to complete. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can add those together using a simple calculation. So I've put together a arithmetic score and I've put together a reasoning score, and we want to work out the totals. We wanted the spreadsheet to do it for us basically. So I'm going to put total as a heading on this column. Now I'm going to put in here a formula, and the first part of my formula is going to be the equals sign. Okay. And what's really good here is that it's actually picked out, this is what I think you want to work on, okay? And for this one, that is exactly it. I want to work out the sum, and then I want to put in brackets which ones I want to pick out. So I need value 1, and you can actually press them. So you can type in, almost like a game of battleships, the column and the row, but you can also just press it. It says B2. Now at the moment it says that is 20 because it's literally taking that number. Okay. Now I want to add B2 to C2. So B2 add C2. Then I have to close my brackets and then press enter. And then that has automatically added. What it's also done is looked and said, well, I think you want to use all of these as well. So to do that, if we press Control and Enter, it will automatically fill out those results. Okay, let me just show you that one more time. Let's delete that one. So equals sum. So you can also, so we've got B2, 2, so that colon basically means 2C2. You can use a colon rather than an add sign. So if I have B2, 2, C2, and then press enter. And you can also press the tick on here and that will automatically fill as well. Okay. The difference between using an add sign and a colon is simply this. Now if I had 12, 13, 14, 15, and I want to work out the total for that, if I put equals sum and then I put in C9, add D9, again I can click onto them, add E9, add F9, and then close my brackets. So that's one way of doing it, adding them all together. But an easier way of doing it would be simply to put, where do I want to start? There. Put a colon in. Where do I want it to end? Here, F9. So I put in here F9, close the brackets, and it's now worked out the full thing. Okay, so that is how you can work out your totals. Now say that I've got another child, so say for example I've got, I don't know, let's go with Dennis Parker. I'm just making these names up completely at random, and he scored 10 and 28. Now rather than having to type in that formula again, I can just copy from here, Control C, or edit, copy, and then I can paste it in there, Control V. Okay. You can also paste, if I delete all of these now, so I'm just going to use, so I start going single, then if I do Control, Shift and down, select that full row apart from the top one, delete them. If I copy that, so again Control C or copy button here, and if I then highlight down to where I want to go, I could even keep going as far as I wanted to, then Control V or paste, which is here, it will automatically paste that formula, and it's recognizing that this one is B4 to C4, this one is B5 to C5. Jump down to here, it's going to work out B16 to C16. So if I put in 20 and another 20, it will automatically add that total. Okay, and that is how you can use formulas to find totals for any kind of test results.